Installing Google Chrome on your Windows computer is quick and easy. Follow these steps, and you'll be up and running in no time. First, open any browser already installed on your computer, like Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. In the address bar, type google.com/Chrome and press Enter. This will take you to the official Chrome download page. Look for the blue button that says Download Chrome and click on it. A new window will pop up asking if you'd like to save the installation file. Click Save or Run, depending on your browser. If you chose Save, find the file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation. When the installer opens, it might ask for permission to make changes to your computer. Click Yes to proceed. Chrome will start downloading and installing automatically. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, Chrome will open automatically. You can now set it as your default browser by clicking the prompt at the top of the page. And that's it. Google Chrome is now installed on your Windows computer, and it is ready for you to browse the web with speed and simplicity.